Verizon Fios TV troubleshooting fix common issues fast. Even with top-notch service, issues can arise. Common problems include no signal or poor picture quality, 2, remote control not working, 3, audio problems, 4, issues with on-demand content. These issues can disrupt your viewing experience. It's important to know how to troubleshoot them. Below is a table summarizing the common problems and possible solutions. Issue possible solution. Inspect cables. No signal or poor picture quality. Check connections. Restart the router. Remote control not working. Replace batteries. Reprogram the remote. Audio problems. Check volume settings. Inspect audio cables. Issues with on-demand content. Restart the set-top box. Check internet connection. Understanding these common issues helps you troubleshoot effectively. Regular maintenance and checks can prevent most problems.